Gold scaled to the next resistance zone at 2764. Yes, the levels which we discussed few hours back in our Asia session update, that beyond 2755 we can look forward to 2760-64 levels. Precisely it has achieved 2764, while silver has found a little resistance at $31 level. So what to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Can we expect a further rise? Can we expect silver to also rally, or the bulls appear to be exhausted and we can find a reversal here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit with the US session today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels so that you can profit throughout the day. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Now, see, if you look at the movement in gold, see, this was an exponential move, then a reversal has appeared, then a rise towards the fresh highs, and now it is trying to erase some of the gains. Now, in this movement, notice it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. Now, as we have discussed earlier in the day, it has to break below 2744-45 zone in order to confirm a reversal today. And then specifically below 2738-40 is where you can say that the bears are back. What has happened? Gold has found its resistance at 20 or support at 2744-45 and has bounced back towards the highs here. Now, what is happening? Notice on the hourly charts, diminishing bullishness is seen, and this could be the reversal sign. Yes, this could be the possible reversal sign. I will wait for the next candle, and if with the next candle, if you see the price is trading below 2744-45 or the next targets towards 2740-38, you can say now the prices have reversed and we are looking forward to a greater correction. But notice every time it has come towards 20 period, it takes a support and bounce back. Let's see this time if it delivers this. Stochastic has seen the highs. Now MACD is almost flat. Remember, it has seen the highs, and I will wait for a divergent candle, which means I will wait for a stronger bearish candle which will confirm the reversal here. Right now it is almost flat. The RSI is looking downwards. Now coming to two, on the 2 hour chart, similar is the observation. Look at these two candles, almost symmetrical here. One has come with the lower lows and second one with the higher highs. So yes, this is erasing the gains and reversing here. Now you can notice that a stronger support is created here, higher highs, higher lows. Now the support levels at 2750 first and then towards 2745 or 4644. These are the two levels which gold need to break, and only if it trades below these two levels. And the third one is also equally strong at 27, 40 and 38. If these three levels are taken, you can say now gold is on the path of a reversal. You can look forward to 27, 30, 32, and below that a greater correction. Why it could correct? See, too much of divergence here, but I can see a parallel channel is getting created. So let it come out of this and then you can expect it to correct more. Right now, yes, it is showing still bullishness is there. The stochastic dropping here, the MACD trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over, it is still staying bullish. Notice whenever it hits such highs on MACD, it always follows with a reversal. I will wait for a crossover here in order to confirm the reversal. The RSI coming out of the overbought zone, which is also a good sign for the bears here. Coming to the three, on the 3 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Now look at this, the closer of these preceding two candles, and this is the point, that is 2752. You can take a selling entry, and once it drops below 2752, you can expect it to keep moving towards 2748 and 2744. Once it drops below 2744, stay short for 2740, and then below that 2730-34 level should appear. See, till here, see, too much of divergence is a clear indication and clear invitation for a drop towards the support level. So what it can do, it can hit the zone and bounce back. If it is bullish, it can take the support from here, and there is a possibility that it may show this move. One possibility, because the preceding candle comes with a push from the upside, though it is closed in green, and thus once it drops from here, it can deliver a bigger bearish candle than this, where it can hit the lows here. So be mindful and be watchful of this. Stochastic dropping here, MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. A possible crossover can confirm a reversal. RSI staying overbought, trying to come out of the overbought zone. Look at the four. On the 4 hour chart, see, notice higher lows are consistently seen, higher highs are seen. And now it is very, very important for gold to trade below 2744-46 zone first, 2740 second, and then 2734 and 2730. These levels are going to act as a wall here for gold in order to confirm any reversal here. Very, very strong support levels exist. Only worry point is the divergence it is showing from the price moving averages. And look at the history. I'm not saying something, but if you look at the history here, these are the near term charts. Whenever it diverges, it always follows with a convergence here. there is a possibility that the prices can in fact completely reverse. But right now I'll say till 2740, or in fact till 2730, this is not a complete reversal, I will say. And only if complete reversal on the daily charts is where, if you see gold trading below 2720 and then 270204, that is the only level, these are the only levels below which you can say now the reversal on the daily basis is on the charts. Stochastic dropping, MACD is at the extreme highs, and yes, it is possible that it can show you a reversal from here. Then the is also overbought, and thus it may try to cool down a bit. Coming to it is important to note on the daily chart. See, yes, this is a stronger bullish candle. It is stronger bullish channel hitting the highs. It may try to reverse or erase some of the gains. I will say, see, the bulls appear to be a bit exhausted, and now we have to wait for it to stay above 27 62 64 zone. This is the zone which gold need to break, because once it breaks beyond this, I will expect it to move towards 27 72 74, and beyond 27 72 74 is where you can expect it to keep moving towards 27 89 90 levels, the highs which we had seen in the recent past, the record levels here. And then this time possibly it can in fact move towards 2800. But I will say, see, this zone is definitely critical. It has breached the 2750 levels. It is again struggling to stay above. I will wait and see if it closes about 2750 for the day. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards, RSI rising. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first, let's talk about the levels to buy. Yes, you can buy 2760, but yes, it is going to come with a risk as well, because it needs to now break the next resistance at 2764.65, and once it stays above 2764.65, chances will be high that we may see the next movement towards 2770 to 74 levels. This is going to be the next stronger resistance here on the upside, which it needs to break. Beyond 2772.74, we can look forward to 2781 and then 2788.90. That is the next targets, and these are the record levels as well. And this time possibly it can in fact breach beyond 2800. But I do see that the bulls appear to be a bit exhausted. Let's see if it gives you the same momentum. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2750. Two levels expected to move towards 2758, 2754, 2748, 2744, and then 2740. If at all it drops below 2740 and 38, you can say that the bears are back. And in fact, I will then also say 2734 and 30 are the two key levels on the downside which it needs to break. Below this is where you can say that the bears are back, and you can look forward to 2720 and lower levels. Below that, possibly a complete reversal can be expected, but chances for which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to now. See, what silver did is it has formed a double top. It is again close towards move towards close to $31 levels, finding it difficult to break. It is now trading below the 20 period moving average. Now it is just that we have to wait for silver to trade below 3070, and once it trades below 3070, that is the point of time we can expect slight increase in bearishness. Then in fact, even if it draws below 3070, do not treat this as a complete reversal. What it is doing, it is hitting the highs and hitting the lows of the channel. The lows of the channel are now very nearby towards 3060 3050 zone as well. So at least till 3020, we should not be treating silver as bearish. Now what is happening, divide this into two. Look at the recent highs, look at the highs today, almost symmetrical formation, and it is trying to reverse what has happened. If it is a reversal, it can in fact move towards 30. Let's watch. Stochastic dropping here. The MACD is crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. Looking forward to a down move. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to on the 2-hour chart, similar observation. Just let it stay below 3070, 20 period moving average, and then below that 3055, 3650 levels will come into picture. See, I will say till 3020, silver has got extremely strong support. What I am looking at, it is a double top level, and thus from here it can follow this path, and thus you have to be watchful and cautious, because see, we have seen a stronger resistance here at 31. Now it is only to be recommended for a buy if it trades above 31, because beyond 31 it is not going to come back down. It is going to move towards 3120, 25, 3150 levels, the next milestones here. Right now I can see a double top and a reversal. Let's see if it drops here. Stochastic dropping, MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3, similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. The support here, it is about to breach, and then we can expect a move towards possibly 3060, 3050 zone, and in fact below 3040 is where you can expect more bearishness to prevail, taking it till towards 3020. Let's see if it is a complete reversal or it is just taking a dip before reversing here. Now on the 3-hour charts, preceding two candles and this breakout suggests more bearishness. Reversal confirmation, bullishness is only about 31. That is pretty clear here. Stochastic dropping sharp, MACD trying to converge crossover for sell, RSI dropping here. On the 4-hour charts, yes, on the 4-hour charts also, similar observation, one bullish candle support here, retracement, let it break below 3070, and then you can expect it to move towards 3060, 3050, and in fact lower levels are possible. Stochastic dropping, MACD is in green trying to converge, wait for a crossover here. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, notice, see, it has formed a reversal, couple of bullish candles. See, both the candles comes with bigger tail, and you can notice higher lows, higher highs. The highs are achieved, the lows here are at 3040. It can show you the swings, it can move towards 3040 and then bounce back. See, this is silver, this can show you extreme moves as well. Now look at the point here, see, one drop, retracement, and if it reverses from here, this could be the beginning of the reversal in silver here. Notice, correct the dots here, you will find higher lows, higher highs. And now it is very important for silver to trade below 3040, 3020, and 30. These three key levels, if taken any point of time, consider that a crash is awaited in silver, where it is going to move towards 29 or in fact lower levels. But right now it is not so aggressively bearish here. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising. So signs are still very much supportive of further rise, and thus buying entry today is above 31. That is very clear. When you see the lower price is above 31, stay bullish for 31 20 25, 31 40 50 levels. 3150 is the next stronger resistance which I am being cautious of, because breaking beyond which is where the bulls are waiting. On the selling entry at 3070 itself can be taken, but this is going to be riskier because see, it can reverse from 3060 55, it can reverse from 3040. Very good support exists here, and if it breaks below 3040 is where slight increase in bearishness to be seen towards 3020, and if it breaks 3020 is where the bears are waiting towards 30 and lower levels. Chances for such a stronger drop appears to be less, but yes, these are markets. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.